Hi, I'm Jing, a Chinese teacher. Boost your Chinese fluency with powerful idiom stories. Subscribe now to watch the full series. Hi everyone, today we are going to learn an idiom, 一箭双雕. So the literal translation of 一箭双雕 is one arrow, two eagles, and it means achieving two or more goals with one single action. In English, this would be similar to the proverb to kill two birds with one stone. So it's used when someone comes up with the smart plan that gets more than one result, either to praise them or to show off a bit. This idiom comes from a cool story way back in ancient China. So during the northern and southern dynasties, there was a general named长孙晟who was amazing at archery, especially while riding a horse. So one day he was out hunting and saw two big eagles flying in the sky over a piece of rotten meat, and they were tangled up midair. He aimed carefully and shot with just one arrow, and boom, both two eagles dropped from the sky at the same time, and everyone around him was super impressed. And at first, the phrase was just used to mean someone who was really good at archery, but over time, it came to symbolize a clever strategy that achieves two goals at once. Now, let's break down the characters in the idiom and explore some other words they can form. So the first one is 一, it means one, and it's literally the simplest character in Chinese. And this character can be read in different tones, in different words, but I'm not going to elaborate here today. For those who don't know the four tones of Chinese pronunciation, you can watch these two videos from before. So 一 means one. For example, 一个人, a person. 一个人, a person. 一, one. 人 person, and 个 is a classifier in Chinese. Classifier is a type of word, like verb, adjective, noun. And also, if you want to know more about classifier, you can also watch this video from before. So 一个人, one person. Another example, 一个苹果, one apple. 一 one 苹果 apple. 一个苹果 one apple. Next character, 箭, it means arrow, like in the idiom. For example, 射箭, to shoot an arrow. 射, shoot. 箭, arrow. 射箭, to shoot an arrow. Next one, 双. 双, it means both or double. For example, 双向. 双向, mutual or two-way. 向 is way, so 双向, mutual or two-way. And another example, 双面胶. 双面胶. 面 is side and 胶 is tape. So 双面胶, double-sided tape. And the last one, 雕. 雕, it has two meanings, eagle like in the idiom, and to carve. For example, 雕塑. 雕塑. And this word has two meanings. As a verb, it means to carve. Both diāo and su means to carve. And as a noun, it means sculptures. So 雕塑, 雕塑, to carve or sculptures. So by just learning this one idiom, 一箭双雕, you've also picked up four useful characters you'll see often in other common words. So pretty efficient, huh? And I'll call that 一箭双雕. And finally, I'll read the origin story of this idiom in Chinese, and you can use this part as your Chinese listening practice or just a bedtime story. Let's see how much you can understand.
南北朝的时候，北周有一位颇有名气的武将，名叫长孙晟。他骑在马上射箭，能非常准确地命中猎物。后来，皇上派他护送公主到北域的突厥族完婚。到了那里，突厥国王摄图和长孙晟很合得来，常常邀请他一起去打猎。有一次，长孙晟和摄图正兴致勃勃地在郊野打猎，忽然看见从远处天空 飞来两只大雕，两只大雕纠缠在一起，似乎在争夺一块腐肉。长孙晟眼疾手快地拉满弓，一箭射去，只见两只大雕摇摇晃晃地同时从天上掉下来。好箭法，一箭射下两只大雕。围观的人发出阵阵欢呼，齐声称赞长孙晟箭法高明。一箭双雕这一成语，本意是形容箭法高明，后来比喻做一件事情能达到2个目的。
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.